The data is now ready in the Excel file. This is one easy way to do it. But what we're going to do this is save this in a CSV file extension. So save it as a CSV format. So to do that, we navigate up here to File, and what we're going to choose is Save As. And Save As here, we're going to choose from the list here of options. At the moment, it's Excel Workbook. And we're just going to click this down arrow here. And we're going to navigate down to CSV, delimited. So that obviously means that the values are going to be separated by commas. Click on that. Now we need a place to save it here. So I'm going to go to a folder I created called Analytics Example. You can see there's absolutely nothing else in here as it stands. So once you've got that all ready to go, just get this magnifier out of the way. All ready to go there. We want to give it a name, and I'm going to call this dist time. Dist time. And no spaces. You should never have any spaces in your file names. Underscores instead of spaces if you want. And click save. And now we have our file ready to go. And see you in the next video when we start bringing this into Python.